Hello everyone, welcome back to today's live trading session with Nova. Hi my friends. Thank you so much for joining in my live trading session today. So on time. Okay, so congratulations everyone that joined in my last live session last Saturday or last Sunday. And yeah, we have too much fun together with the winners. Yeah, the winners from my mini game. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining in my live trading session. So on time here, so you can join in this scalping signal today. Okay, come on, buy now everyone at the entry. Okay, so come on. It's about to run. Okay, let's see that if you can in this signal or not. Wow, 14. So fast. Now we are between the London and New York session. Okay, so price starting move steadily. Okay, let me open the 5-minute time frames. Are you already in this signal, my friends? Are you already in? Here, so we'll put it down here. Okay, so now I've opened the 5-minute time frames, as you can see on the chart. And yes, we're having the scalping signal at the entry buy 10 to 12. But I encourage you that we should be active with our signal. Yeah, because when I posted, the entries is between 13. Okay, so come on, quickly. Yeah, we need to be quick. Whenever I have the now order, okay, so we should be active with the signal. Okay, 30 pips already running from the entry 13. You know that this is the valuable from when you join my live trading session, so on time. Okay, so are you in this signal already? 16, yeah, 16 level. Okay, pips from entry 13. And anyone in my VIP signal group that you should have the early signal then I posted on my live session. Okay, so you should have the better entry when you join my VIP signal group. Okay, so I have two community for VIP signal. One is for gold and one is for currency pair. I named Forex Platinum. So if you want to trade anyone among, you can choose one or both, yeah, to trade and maximize your profit. Okay, and you just learn by heart your risk management lesson. Okay, and you will maximize your profit thanks to Nova Signal. Oh, congratulations, trader! Congratulations, 30 pips. Yeah, we need to be quick, right? Okay, I'm so happy that you have profit today. Hi, my friends. So how about you? Are you saying trader? Hello, Helmi. I hope that you will not miss my signal. Yeah, I just posted 5 minutes ago and already 30 pips. Okay, let me read the above comment. Share your setup and mapping. Hello, Boeing. Okay, when in the beginning of my live trading session that I opened the chart at 4-hour time frames that I draw my week trading plan. Okay, and I explained it on my previous Sunday live session. Okay, so right after that we will back to the plan, and as you can see that on the right side of the corner of the screen, you can see that this is the scalping signal as my gold trading plan, daily trading plan. Okay, and yes, the entry is not be active. Those signal is still waiting. Okay, and as you can see on the left side of the chart, yeah, that's the total winning pips that Nova gained yesterday. Not only in my VIP signal group, but also my channel. Yeah, there were 3 signals on my channel, totally free, so that you can join in and yeah, you can refer my qualified signal. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. Any re-entry? You missed it. You missed it? Okay, so you can consider to re-entry. Yeah. You can do it. Yes. Wow, I hope that you have a great holiday, great vacation. Yeah. And welcome back. Okay, so round 2. Okay. Round 2, everyone. Let's see. Okay, so we're at the round 2 of this signal. So it's coming back to the entry 11. 11. Hello, Bello. Hello. Yes, I entered the round 2, so that means you can re-enter again. Hello. And yeah, do you still remember the lessons that I always repeat that on every live trading session? That's after you gain 30 pips from the signal, you should consider closing a part. Okay, and continue to hold the rest volume to the further profit. Yeah, we're at the route 2, and the entry we're having here is nearly 20. Nearly 12. Yeah, nearly 12. Okay, so let's see what's going on. And remember to set the stop loss order. Don't forget about it anytime you enter any trade. Okay, and let's take a look at the Forex Factory. So that, okay, so today, Wednesday, we don't have any significant news relating to USD. Okay, there's a lot of currencies here, and you can choose any type that you're concerning, and ask myself that I choose the USD and orange and red news only, and yeah, you can see that this today do not have any significant news at all. But we shouldn't distracted from this, because nowadays, any speak from Mr. President Donald Trump and war events happens can make the gold market have big volatility. Okay, and let's see tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow as usual, Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Okay, we have unemployment claim that release every single Thursday, and so on. That we have the PMI, flash manufacturing PMI. This reflects the strength of U.S. economy. Okay, the strength of U.S. economy, and so on. The inflation. Okay. The previous, there was a red news, which is the positive for gold, but the forecast is below the previous. Yeah, so in my point of view, that tomorrow we should consider for the continued bullish momentum. Okay, so we have the entry 09. Oh, okay, it's coming back to the EMA here a bit. Okay, so this EMA will support us anyway, and there will be the small trend line here. Oh, what's this? Sorry. Okay, so I hope this point will be support for the bullish once again. And always remember the risk management lesson. Okay, capital management lessons as well. Okay, so it's back to 10 again. Let's see the market's reaction at this point. Yeah, I believe that the combination between EMA and trend line will support for the bullish anyway. And please pay attention to that I'm opening the 5-minute time frame for this gapping signal at the moment. Okay. Because they're route 2 and we already gained 30 pips at the route 1, so I believe that this will not affect your capital anyway. Yeah, we just spent a part of our profits from the route 1 to trade. Okay, so this will be make you feel less pressure when you do any trade. This this is like a trading is like a battle between your emotion, your psychology, or the market, big players. So if you can control your psychology and so on, your emotional well, okay, that's just fine. No, nothing can beat you. Yeah, nothing can beat you anyway. Okay, come on, blow it up, blow it up. Nothing to worry about that if this is just a part of your trading today. And yes, if you follow VIP signal group, I believe that you have lots of profits today. Now I'm taking the research, the review about the VIP signal group from the gold platinum of Nova. Yeah, the signal is kind of touch good. Wow. Okay, the question that you always ask, why Nova? you always wake up so early? Because as you know, I really fond of trading Asian session. And yes, you can see that the summarized table that I posted on the early Asian session, that's in the morning of Asian session, that's wow, too much, more than 300 pips. Okay, more than 300 pips in the early Asian session. So that just be fine. If you wake up early and you be successful in your trading, you get a good result. This could be your energy to help you wake up early every single day. And if you're still not joining in, okay, I will send you the summarized table. Okay, 3 signal in the early Asian session. You can see that this is the reason why I usually wake up early, very early. Okay, and if you're in Asian, and you're in my VAB community, so this is no problem for you to take profit in the Asian session, because that time the market sometimes have big volatility, but it's usually remains stable. Okay, especially except Monday morning in Asian country. Okay, except the early Monday, the market will have the big gap up or down. And on my previous live session on Sunday, and I share with you my weekly plan. Okay, so now I'm back into 4-hour time frames, and here, okay, if you are in a 1-hour time frames, you will see the gap here. This here have a gap, opening the gap. The market was opening this gap up in the early Asian session on Monday. Okay, so that's why I did not recommend you to trade so early on Monday in the early morning in Asian session. And yes, right after that, the gold momentum continues decreasing, and then sideways. Okay, and it's now have the sharply bullish one more time. So this is support for the recover. The bullish have determined to help gold recover the previous price once again. Okay, now you can see that it's fill this FVG area at the moment. You can see this. These are FVG area, and now the price is officially fill this area. And now it's coming back to the previous peak once again, but please pay attention to the trend line that I draw in the 4-hour time frames, that connecting the peaks together, and definitely that it will have the reaction when it touches this trend line. Okay, and you want to see the broader view, you should have the multiple observation between time frames, big time frames like 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily time frames, so you can identify the market trend easily. So that is my opinion when I do any analysis. Okay, especially for the weekly trading plan. Oh, trader, 20 pips again. So did you enter the entry 09? I see that I can say that is how we have this entry 09. Yeah, you know, the price slip kind of deep, nearly to, oh yeah, it's not near to our stop loss. Yeah, that's good. But now we have the entry 09, and if you want to have thrill with the market, yeah, just small lot with the entry 09. And let's go back to the 30-minute time frames. Let's go back. Yeah, this trend line at the moment is the support for the bullish. Let's see if 30-minute candlestick, it closed, the body is closed below the level 10. Okay, $33.10 level. If the candlestick body close above that below that level, I will let you close this buy signal because it's officially break the trend, break down the trend. So we should be active, okay, and flexible with the market anytime. Okay, so congratulations traders for 20 pips. Yeah, I guess that you entered the entry 09. So yeah, that's touch good. Okay, so let me see where is the signal. Okay, put it close here. Back to 30-minute time frames. Okay, I will zoom the chart for you a bit. Okay. Oh, okay. 6 minutes left that this candlestick will close according to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, come on, blow it up. Sometimes you feel so irritated when the markets have it against your analysis, don't you? Okay, yeah, it seems like the markets listen to us. 12. Okay, so we have 12 and trader, you have 30 pips. Okay. So it's coming back to the entry zone. 20 pips again. Okay, let's show it here. I would like to delete this green box. Okay. Yeah, as I told you, there's the trend line here and the EMA 89 in the 5-minute time frame. So those are two conditions that I used to compound for this analysis. So I really hope that it will support for the bullish anyway. Coming third round. Coming third round. Okay, I really want this bull away. Okay, straight upward. No coming back. We don't like this anyway. Okay, come on. Okay, it's coming back to the entry zone once again. Hello, Fernando. Wow. The copy trade, isn't it? Okay, so on the pool prime, they set up the pool prime social. so that you can ask me to send you the link to open the trading account, and after that you can follow and register the master on the pool social. Okay, and I will advise you anyway, because you will not know the reality of the traders that they are on pool social. Okay, so please send me the direct message and we will discuss about it anyway. Yeah, because it's kind of new, and you need to open the live account. Okay, live trading account. And yeah, so just send me the direct message on Telegram channel so that I can discuss with you about this, and yeah, maybe give you the instruction how to do it anyway. And how to say, I could like to recommend that we should learn about the trading knowledge traditionally, and we should do it by ourselves, because that is the most effective way for you to improve yourself in trading journey. And if you really have a pressure, you have pressures when you do any trades, especially the full-time traders or part-time traders, you can be my fellows. Okay, you can be Nova's partners as doing affiliates with me. If you have friends have the same passion with trading, okay, with the forex trading, you can help me introduce my community to them, and after that, according to the numbers of members you introduce, that I can share the profit, the commissions with you, or have free VIP community for you. And if you want to know the detail about the program, the reward program, so yeah, just send me the direct message so that I will send you the document for you to prefer which option you choose, and that I can instruct you how to earn money without trading. Okay, so at the moment I have two options for you. One is traditional trading and one is affiliate. Okay. And actually for the copy trade, yeah, I did not recommend you to do it at all, because sometimes it's very easy for any traders that they are lucky with the market, and they can increase the profit crazily, like 5,000%. 5,000%. It's very easy for them to trade from $500 to 5,000. Yeah, if they follow the rules and market support them because they have the correct analysis with the trend line. Yeah, if they are lucky, it's very easy for them to have the massive winning rate on the pool social. But there's a lot of professors on the social. Okay, and I believe that I can instruct you to choose which one is reliable. Okay, yeah, be real as well. Okay, thank you, Fernando. Yeah, and I believe you're a good trader because you follow the risk management lessons that I instruct you when you join in my VIP community. So yeah, thank you so much anyway, and congratulations yourself. Okay, 2 minutes left, and now you can see that the bolus is coming back, right? Yay, the bolus is coming back. So come on, going up. Going up. Okay, when I talk to Fernando, it seems like the price is to 16. It's come to 16 anyway. So we have 30 pips from route 2. Okay, 30 pips from route 2. Yeah. Yeah. Let's going up. Yeah. So anyone, do you enter enough to round with me? Yay! A small gift for you, for me today. Hello Vispo, do funded account really work? Funded account. You know, it's nothing free that's valuable, right? How to say? I experience with the funded account, but yeah, we should try. We should try with. You can have experience. You can try it for your experience. Like you donate a small value, small money, right? And they will offer you the funded account. And yeah, that is a real kind of real account. But the emotion and psychology when you trade is kind of different when you trade with your own live trading account. Okay, and in my point of view that you should start a small account by your own so that you can have the more real feeling, the most feeling about this market. Well, okay, yeah, thank you very much. And yes, according to the balance, and I usually trade with 1.5 lot or 1 lot. Yeah, and just apply the close apart lessons when you reach to 30 pips, and yeah, you no worries about the signals that because your profits is already in your pocket, right? And you just spend a part of your profit, and it could be less pressure for you to hold the rest volume of the trades. Hello, Adam. Okay, so at the moment I'm living in France. So, but it's for ancients because you will see it's kind of Asian, right? Okay, because my mom and my dad is 2 countries and they combine, then they have me. Okay, so thank you so much for your asking. And yeah, as you can see that I usually upload the notification according to the France time. Yeah, because I'm living in France at the moment. Okay, so it's coming back to the trend line. It's coming back to the trend lines. Okay, but no worry about it. Yeah. Okay, so total 60 pairs for 2 signals anyway. Yeah. And at the moment, I did not recommend you re-entry once more time because now it's kind of break down the trend line. And let's see the reaction at the moment. Okay. And yeah, let's say the markets move at the moment if you still hold it this signal at the moment. And for another scalping signal, I will review in my VIP community. So yeah, today is just 2 signal already. Okay, and if you want to receive more scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal groups. And yes, I have many scalping signals for you to trade from Asian, London, and New York session. Okay, and when you are full-time traders or part-time traders, I believe that my VIP signal groups, they available for you to trade anytime. Aside from EMA and trend line, do you use other indicators? Yes, of course. I usually use RSI, yeah, relative strength index, to do the analysis anyway. Yeah, but not much because when I have the live session, that I usually set up the EMA, and for my own analysis for every scalping signal, I would use it to combine with the relative strength index as well. And sometimes Bollinger Band, but those are just the based on the support and resistance level. So yeah, the less you use, at most two. So I recommend that you should use two indicators is the best for you to set up on your screen, on your charts, because sometimes too much is not good. Okay, so sometimes it's just using the relative strength index as well, and yeah, Bollinger Band. Those are just the basic analysis tool that help you to do the analysis easier. And the trade, oh no, I'm still hold for another for the rest of this signal. Yeah, still hold the rest of this signal. Now Sana is coming back to the entry zone 09 once again. Okay, so yeah, no problem. I believe that the market will support the bullish anyway. Okay, you're still holding round 2. Oh yes, I'm now living in Paris. Lovely city. Lovely city. And do you like travel? I usually spend my time to do the vacation, around the cities, downtown, or sometimes go around the Europe, to relax and help my mind feel calmer. And we have the best status and emotion when we do the analysis in the new coming week. And I really love traveling, especially to the new countries. And I have tried to the Asian country. Those are so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so you shouldn't trade too much, especially at the weekend. You know, the crypto market is 24 hours per 7 days a week open, but I just spend 5 days only, and I always love myself for at the weekend, to recover the energy and relax. Should I modify my stop loss? Okay, so I usually recommend traders that both new or experienced traders that after you gain 30 pips, you can consider moving stop loss at entry, okay, or moving to 30 pips, okay, 3 price level. Okay, and yeah, that is just my advice, and you can consider doing or not. Right, but the condition is that 30 pips gain from the signal. Visit Indonesia. Oh, Indonesia. It's not the. Do your country have the Maldives? Isn't it Maldives? Or what? Bailey. I don't know the name, but I saw the photos that my friends took. They're so beautiful. The beach is in blue, and fresh, like transparent sea, So beautiful. Okay, so I will take note Indonesia list. You put limit at 3302 for buy or sell signal. I guess that you buy. Okay, so now this is the support at the wick. Okay, so because this area is kind of near here. Alright, there's 32 and 94 levels and 3286. Okay, you can try it anyway, but actually that I did not recommend this area much. This one, yeah. When you do any own analysis, your own analysis, but you're still not confident to do the test, consider the suitable lot. Okay, enter the trade, was it enough for your capital to take it? Okay, sometimes it's micro lot. Anyway, just do it, and then you can have the trading journalist, like a trading diary that you will write down your analysis, your signal. You do it. You do the analysis by yourself. Okay, and you write down to your note, to your diary, and that's the best way to help you remember, improve your memory better about trading. Okay, so you should practice and write it down. Okay, fix your mic. Okay, fix your mic. Is it okay now? It's just folded. My microphone just folded. Yeah. Okay. Ikra. Yeah. Wish you luck with your analysis. Okay. Because it's kind of near to the round number, like 3300. Yeah, I usually call them is round number, like ending with 00. Yeah, or 10, 20, 30, 50, 40. Yeah, something like that. Round number. Oh, it's touched the 07. Okay, so the rest volume. Okay, just see that it still have a few pips left. Anyway. Okay, so coming back to the 06. Okay, so it's hit the stop loss for the rest value. Oh, sorry, for the rest volume. Okay, so yeah, just have fun with 30 pips round 2. So today is kind of not a lucky day, don't we? Just have 60 pips for 2 entries, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so now it's officially break the trend line that I draw here. So we, okay, so it's not support the bullish anymore. But there will be the support down here. Support me here. Yeah, it's the same area that Ikra noticed. So just wait market reaction at the moment. Okay. My heart beats fast. What was it? What was it? Believe in your analysis, and yeah, you just used the you just impose the analysis. Sorry, you just impose the risk management lesson. There's no worry about it, and you should prepare the psychology that accepting the stop loss is a part of the game. Yeah, nothing can change it. Nothing can change it except stop loss is the part of the game. So that's why I usually repeat many times that we shouldn't trade with the big lot. Okay, we shouldn't be greedy when we joining in this the most severe market, financial market in the world. And if anyone guarantee with you 100% win rate when you join their VIP community, so stay alert because yeah, definitely they are scammers. You know, many scammers out there, and we should stay alert. Always, always. And Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday. So 2 days left. 2 days left for tomorrow and Friday. Okay, let's see the broader view for according to the big time frames. Okay, I will help you do a bit analysis for this. Okay. Yeah, as I told you in the beginning that we have the trend line that I draw from weekly trading plan. Yeah, these two bright zone trend line connecting from the previous peaks and connecting from the current bottom. You can see that. And now the price movement is kind of narrowed and it's now reaching to the above trend lines. Okay, and pay attention to that level 32 and 67 here, trend lines. And you can draw it by yourself by opening the 4-hour time frames on the chart, and yeah, just connecting the peaks and bottom together, and so that you can identify the current support and resistance by your own. Okay, and theirs is the nearest resistance. Okay, because at the moment using the 4-hour time frames, so you cannot see the lower peaks at the moment. If you change into 1 hour here, okay, so yeah, this is the FVG area at the moment. So it's kind of want to feel it. The markets want to feel it. FVG area here. when you see that the candlesticks now it have a reaction at the EMA 8 at 1 hour time frame, so it's kind of like the support for the price movement at the moment. Okay, and the price zone is kind of narrowed in the New York session. Okay, so now it's already in the New York session. So in my experience, according to my experience, that's the price zone, the price movement is narrow. The more narrow, the bigger it will be. Okay, in the late New York session. Okay, it's like a spring, you know, it's like a spring. Yeah, you can see the body stick is very thin, yeah, with a long wick. So it's like the conflict between the bearish and the bullish. So now the market is still not identify the side. The market isn't choose the side yet. So if you choose the bullish, please consider the nearest resistance zone. According to my the rectangle box I draw, the blue rectangle box I draw on the chart, and yes, and there will be two signals that I posted on the chart. You can see as usual, okay, on your right side on the screen. Okay, and now it's kind of narrow, so just wait. If you still not have any signals at the moment, yeah, just wait for the market. And if you are scalpers, okay, you can refer my VIP signal group so that you will capitalize the market movement to maximize your profit in any single pips. Okay, and for the swing traders, you should wait until the market choose the size, the bullish or the bearish, because now it's kind of narrowed, and yeah, I'm not sure that where it's break. It can break down or break up. Okay, just wait it. And for a scalper, if you follow my scalping signal, that you can gain more than 1,000 pips for a day. So yeah, I capitalize any movement of the market and do the analysis for you to maximize your profit. Okay, because I understand that any pips movement can bring you loss or profit. And yeah, you know, your heart beats fast and under a lot of pressure. You know, you still have families, your friends, and your job. Money is not easy to earn, right? So we should follow the market with our discipline and the risk reward ratio, so that it helps us to survive long enough if you want to make money in this market. Okay, and regarding to the YouTube channel that I now uploaded the short videos about the basic information, basic knowledge for the beginners. If you're just a beginner joining in this market, you can refer the videos that I upload on my YouTube channel. Those are just short, 1 to 2 minutes, that help you easily understand for this market. And there will be a lot of useful knowledge. Yeah, I believe so. Not even it's brief. Those are just brief videos, but I believe that those are very easy knowledge, easy lesson for you to keep in mind, okay, and remember. So just do it step by step before you reach to the higher level, okay, more advanced level. A lot of things that you need to learn in the future. So now just step by step, do the simple thing first. Okay, do the simple things first, and we will upgrade ourselves gradually. Okay, we need to be patient. Don't be hurry. And the dream become millionaire or billionaire after a trade is fiction. Okay, it's fiction, not real. So be realistic with the market. Okay, learn to trade traditionally and practice backtest. Write down the trading diary. That's good help you do it. Make your dream earning money step by step gradually better. Okay, and yeah, so I will zoom it a bit so that you can easily imagine about the plan. Okay, and if you want to receive my daily plan, gold daily plan, you can join in my community on Telegram, and I usually upload it about the news, significant news about the market movement. Okay, and the Bitcoin, BTC, USD analysis as well. Okay, and a lot of knowledge, a lot of information that I will share on my Telegram community. So it's totally free and will help you do it better when you do your trades journal, where you learn to trade. I have been in this market nearly 8 years, so I learned from a lot of traders and documents. I read a lot of books about trading knowledge. And the top traders like Jesse Livermore, he has a lot of slogan and speech that's really helpful for traders. My idols is, there's a lot of traders that I really admire them. Jesse Livermore is one of them. So I learned from a lot of documents on YouTube, internet, or books. Okay, so many things. And from myself too. Those are just paid by money. I said to you in the beginning that I had mistake and bad consequence because of greed. And now I really understand how you feel when you're just a beginner, and the market's very they know to control your psychology. Sometimes you set the stop loss, and then the market make you hit the stop loss, force you hit the stop loss level, and then it just repeat many times, and it's like torture your psychology, right? So severe. That is the severe adjective that I have to see it correctly when I use it to describe this financial market. Very severe. And I really admire the big players that they know how to control the market and torture you, give you hope, but then they take it all back. Okay, so we should be the discipline and be patient. Okay. And guys, it's already 1 hour, and now I have to focus back on my VIP community. So if you want to receive more qualified scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal group that I having many qualified signals is waiting for you. And if you're also interested in the affiliate or the Nova's partners, okay, come on, do not hesitate contacting me on Telegram so that we can be partners together. Okay, this is the easiest way for you to earn money by choosing Nova as your partners. Okay, thank you very much for joining in my live trading session today with 2 scalping signal for total 60 pips. Okay, so that's just fine. See you next time. And yeah, my upcoming live trading session is on this Saturday. Okay, so you can subscribe and turn on the notifications, and whenever I have a stream on YouTube, it will send the direct message to you. Okay, so see you next time. Goodbye. Have a good day.